Sometimes you just can't get your camera right where you want it, and you need extra support in precarious positions. Let's get a grip and unlock the magic of this articulating arm kit. This kit combines Kupo's Max Arm with adjustable handle and our camera umbrella bracket. The arm features a locking rosette and a kipping handle for easy tightening in any position. The camera bracket features a sliding 1/4 20 set screw as well as a 3/8 16 adapter to mount various cameras. There's a 10mm receiver for an umbrella and 3 baby receivers. This kit also supports up to 8.8 pounds. The arm features 2 baby studs with 6 milled flats and a 1/4 20 female thread on one end and 3/8 16 on the other. Rig up your Max Arm, attach your camera with a snap, and position anywhere for a rock-solid shooting angle. Check out our other Max Arm kit with quick release plate for even more camera positioning options.